Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily, and today we're going to be going over how to export a Tableau worksheet and your various different charts to a PowerPoint. So we're going to go up here to the top left, hit File, and then we are going to export as a PowerPoint. So what we could do is we could just export this view, which has this lovely visualization behind us. We could also do it for specific sheets from the workbook. So I've got a bunch of different sheets in here. What I could do is I could select all of them and then export, or I could clear all of them and then select specific sheets. I am going to just export all of these, and it is going to go with my workbook file. Okay, so it has gone into my document, and I should be able to open this up. But I do not have PowerPoint available on my machine. But if I did, it would be able to open up those files there. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can check out more Tableau tutorials on the channel, and you can connect with me on LinkedIn at EmilyClawMBA. Thanks so much. I'll catch you guys in the next one.